Hi guys, welcome to Tech Support. Today I will show you how to use Vlookup formula in Excel. Let's begin. First, you need to have your raw data, which is the main master file, and then you need to have a separate Excel file, the data which you want to Vlookup. Okay, in this case, I have two files. One is a main data file for with addresses, and this one is a test file. So I'll show you what my data file is. Okay, so I have a list of air code, address 1, address 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and in this field, I have over 12,000 of records. Okay, so let me just this one here. And on the next one, I have a test file. I'll open the test file for you also. So I click. Here you go. So in this test file, I have same range of columns, which is air code, address 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I have a selected range of air code. Now the next step is I need to fill these color rows with addresses. But there's two ways. One way you can copy this one and go on this Excel file, the air code. That's when you have only one or two records. But if you have over 1,000 records to do a VLOOKUP, so the best way is to do a formula, which is very easy to do. Now, let me show you how to do the formula. So, okay, so the main thing is this air code key, is your main key, which means this will remain the same as this one here. So in this case, address 1. Let's go to address 1. So equal VLOOKUP, okay, brackets. So lookup value, which is this one, comma, and the range where the data sit, which is on this sheet, which is a data file with addresses. Then you just select the full sheet up till address 8, which is R9. And then you go back to the complete bottom and then comma. So now the next step is um, let's go back on top. So once you have the range selected, okay, and then you need to select which column you are looking for. In this case, we are looking for column. So number 1 is the air code, number 2 is address 1. So then you put a 2, comma, false, and then close brackets, then press enter. There you go. So double click on this one. There you go. So you can do the same thing, so which is you just drag it on the bottom. There you go. And then the next one is same process, which is equal VLOOKUP brackets air code, comma, select your data range. In this case is this one up till here, enter, then comma, so which is column 3, comma, false. Okay, so same things apply to the next one. So just VLOOKUP brackets air code, comma, then you select the range, which is same. Okay, A2 up till I2, and then on complete bottom, comma, 3, comma, false. Okay, so which is not column 3, should be column 4. So in this case, you can see it here. So this one was 3, this one should be 4. There you go. So if you go and check, copy this range and then go find it over there. you will see, okay, so here you go, one Balbriggan County this, and then this part is missing equal Vlookup brackets, air code, comma, select the range of the data up to the bottom, comma, 5, comma, false. Okay, so you have all these fields. I will say get all these completed. The same process, we look up bracket echo, comma, you go back to up this range, comma 9, now 6, comma false. Okay, then you do the same with the next one. So same one, we look up, comma, air code, comma, select the range again. So 6, 7, I think it's 8, comma, false. We can check it now. So 5, 6, this one should be 7, and this one should be 8. We look up brackets, select your range. Same process, I'm just speeding up my things. Okay, and then the next step is you just copy the first line and then you can drag it on the bottom. Keep doing it until everything's filled. So for you to check these records now, it's correct properly, just spot check to air code. Okay, here you go. That's correct, 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 and correct, and nothing else. So just check this one. 125, okay, Balbriggan County. Yeah, that's it. That's it mainly, guys. It's very easy once you know the formula. So I will say, okay, equal VLOOKUP bracket, always the key, the main key, then comma, then your data files where you are looking for the information. Then you need to select the column, then comma, false, then you close your brackets. That's the main formula. Um, if you need any helps, don't forget to comment on the video and I will be able to help you any question you have. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. The next video I will do is a H lookup formula in Excel. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.